iOrlando Pirates isethubeni lokwenza okungajwayelekile ngokunqoba izindebe ezimbili ngesizini eyodwa kepha-ke phambi kwayo kumi Sekhukhune United okuyiqembu eyehluleka kuliguqisa emidlalweni yeleague.
We did our job. We sure that we know how to create problems for them, and then it's about to be accurate during the 90 minutes. We're gonna have opportunities, that's for sure. We have to make sure that we capitalize.
Riviero ke ufuna ezakhe ezinqobena kanjani le ndebe ukujabulisa izindimbane zabalandeli beqembu abasabalele nezwe lonke.
To be part of this club, to be the winning team, how much it represents for them, how nice can be Saturday night in Soweto and in many other places in the country.
Attacking football, attractive football, and they will put up a spectacle for the supporters. We are playing second fiddle as underdogs, and hopefully upset everybody that supports them. But that's for Saturday. Football is a difficult game to predict.
Iqembu elizonqoba umdlalo lizokhala lemuke nesizumbulo esingu7 million randi kuthi elizokhala ngaphansi lithola umthobanhliziyo ka2.5 million randi. Lo mdlalo ke uzosakazelwa wona bukhoma khona la ku SABC 1 ngehora lesithupha kusasa ntambama.